Okay, I'm down here on West Virginia Street and Dumblew Creek is overflowing. It is flooded right now. Can't go down West Virginia Street because West Virginia Street's underwater. The creek is literally overflowing. Its banks are coming out in the street and into the field here. It's probably not done yet because it literally just quit raining like 5-10 minutes ago. It was beautiful while I was out earlier. I was down in Kanawha County. It was so beautiful down through there. Well, I don't think the water's over there. I can't tell. Maybe not. I just know down in Kanawha County where I was at, it's so beautiful down there. It wasn't storming at all. A few sprinkles. I have a feeling that's not done coming up yet. I really do. Walk down the road here. I gotta be careful though. How I knew, but I somehow knew. I guess the way it's raining. Yep, the creek's overflowing here too. I didn't do it before video this time because all the other times I do before the rain video it don't flood. I don't do it before the rain video it floods. This is why they've been buying the houses out here. It's not that bad considering. I've seen it worse. Okay. I think it's still coming up. But yes, this is bad. I don't have my phone with me because my phone battery was almost completely dead and I left it at home plugged up, the source. So this time I just got my Nikon digital camera. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Yeah, no, that ain't. Now my feet are soaked. That wasn't very smart. I gotta have these tennis shoes for work, which means I gotta get them dried out. I'll stick it in the floor fan later. But look at this. This is crazy. Now we're getting the flooding. I'll probably walk the Bennett well line here in a minute, starting to creek through there. Let's see what Mill Creek looks like. It's amazing to think about scattered thunderstorms. Here I'm down in Kanawha County trying to get some trains. Did not get a single train video down there, but did find a really cool old cemetery and a few other things. I come back home and to a flash flood. I mean, literally. The creek is, I don't know if it's done coming up or not. It's not horribly bad. I've seen it so much worse. I remember years ago, 2009, 2010 flood done by the photography work. My Aunt Becky deleted all the pictures and videos off my camera on my phone. Well, I didn't have a digital camera at the time, just the phone. And to this day, she still won't admit to it. I don't bring it up anymore. She won't admit. She literally deleted everything, hands it back to me, asking me to show the pictures where they are, and they were gone. And I got, boy, was I mad. I was real. Because it was one of the worst floods in history. Well, prior to the 2016 flood, of course. Because it's 2010 flood. Yep, all that debris is backing up. Okay, this bridge feels funny. I'm getting off this. The bridge sifting. I mean, if it comes up anymore, it's going to be overflowing here like it is on West Virginia Street. I don't know, it may start going down. It finally quit raining, so maybe it'll go back down. How about the waterfall down near Thurman right now? That'd be crazy to see. No, can't tell what it's doing. No, it looks like it was up a little bit higher, but it's went down some. I could tell where it was there. So it is starting to recede a little. Fortunately, the sucks may have water in it again. Can't go that way. Maybe I'm okay, maybe the sucks don't have water in it. I'm trying to figure out how Paint Creek wasn't overflowing. Okay, how does... Okay. Now I am confused, because usually when it floods like this, there's a lot of water on Brown Street. I was just down on Brown Street. They wasn't bad. Got an India Part 2 video.